Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of hiking shoes from Columbia Sportswear Company, but I've got them on Amazon, and the model is called Newton Reach Plus. Here so let's open them. Dun, dun. Here we are. Here. So here they are, very nice shoes, hiking shoes from Columbia. These ones are in color black. They are waterproof. So here they are, very nice shoes, Columbia but from Amazon, because on Columbia side they are more expensive, around $100, and on the Amazon they are cheaper, because I work at Amazon warehouse and I have employee discount 10%, and also they are on sale. That's why it was more convenient for me to buy on Amazon. So I will show you how they look. So it looks like this. They are really cute. I like the shape. They are really lightweight, like this. I really find them incredibly lightweight. They are made from leather here, and they are waterproof, which says here. And the design is that here we have like ankle support. This is more thick and sturdy for your ankle support, and here we are, very nicely shaped. They have metal hooks, and these laces can go here around. They have nice tongue that is stitched to this height, and then it's go out. And the tongue is from material, and here it says Columbia. And laces, these ones in this model are two-colored, which gives nice accent, color accent. And the sole looks like this. It says Columbia Omni Grip, and see they have this sticking little bit parts that's supposed to grip you well to the ground. So yeah, really cute and nice. And I've got size 10.5, and in sneakers I wear size 10, so I made this model, actually this shoe, half size bigger. And I think I also got this wide, maybe, or not. No, these ones are not wide, I don't think. And you can also purchase them in wide option. So yeah, very nice. And here is our one. And this lever I can try to make zoom. The structure looks like this, and they are from real leather, not fake one. Not faux leather, but real one. Yeah, so that's all one. Now I will try them on. If you want. And here are the shoes, how they look on me. First we have to do this. And this. And it looks like this. Very nice. I like. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed such video. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.